Welcome back, crafty friends. It's Alicia of the Call Me Crafty Al YouTube channel, and I am so happy to be here with an announcement for you. If you didn't already know it, this Saturday, October 6th, 2018, is World Cardmaking Day, and I thought I would celebrate by bringing you a few videos where I show you how to make quick and easy cards, how to build your stash, or if you want to make some as gifts. I think these videos will be for you. In one of my videos, I'm going to show you how I made these 12 cards in front of me in probably about 30 minutes or so. If this interests you and you would like to watch my videos this weekend, if you're not already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button below and click on that bell so you know when I upload more videos. I hope to see you back here this weekend. Until then, I hope you're having a crafty day. Bye-bye.